can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Solve for the value of n such that square root of 2023 minus square root of 2022 is greater than 1 over n plus 1 but less than 1 over n. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now let's answer this question together. So, given this inequality, says that square root of 2023 minus square root of 2022 must be greater than 1 over n plus 1 and less than 1 over n, wherein n is a natural number. Then our goal is to solve for the value of n. Now, to answer this question, we will use this identity. If we have a over b that is greater than c over d, then b over a must be less than d over c. This is also known as the change of sense property. Now, let's say, for example, 2/3 is greater than 1 over 5. 2 over 3 must be greater than 2 over 5. That is correct. Now, if we take the reciprocal on both sides, make sure that this inequality symbol must be flipped. Like this. So 3 over 2 must be now less than 5 over 1 or simply 5. And this statement is true. Therefore, if we flip on both sides, we need to flip also the inequality symbol. Alright, so we will use this concept to answer this question. So, let's take the reciprocal of each of these terms, like this. Therefore, we have 1 over square root of 2023 minus square root of 2022 must be less than n plus 1, and that is greater than n. And now, let's focus on this expression 1 over square root of 2023 minus square root of 2022. What we're going to do here is to rationalize this expression. So to do that, let's multiply this by its conjugate, which is square root of 2023 plus square root of 2022. Now let's multiply. On the numerator, we have square root of 2023 plus square root of 2022. And on the denominator, we can use special products, sum and difference. So we have square root of 2023 squared minus square root of 2022 quantity squared. Now let's simplify. On the denominator, we have 2023 minus 2022, and this is just equal to 1. And if we simplify more, this is just square root of 2023 plus square root of 2022. Therefore, we can replace this expression in the middle with square root of 2023 plus square root of 2022. Now, the question is, what is the value of n? Now, take note that 45 must be greater than square root of 2023. The reason is 45 squared must be 2025. So that is strictly greater than square root of 2023. Now, if we double on both sides, square root of 2023 plus square root of 2023 must be strictly less than 2 times 45. And 2 times 45 must be 90. And now, since this expression, square root of 2023 plus square root of 2023 is less than 90, and 90 can be written as 89 plus 1. Therefore, we can say that square root of 2023 plus square root of 2023 must be greater than 89. Square root of 2023 plus square root of 2022 is almost the same thing as square root of 2023 plus square root of 2023. Therefore, we can say that n must be equal to 89. Now, of course, we need to check our answer if our answer is correct. Now, to do that, let n be equal to 89. So we have 1 over 89 plus 1 must be less than square root of 2023 minus 2022 less than 1 over 89. Now, 89 plus 1, we know this is 90. Now, using our calculator, square root of 2023 minus square root of 2022 will give us 0.011117976 and so on and so forth. Now, how about 1 over 90? If we use our calculator, we get 1 over 90 must be equal to 0.0111111 forever. So definitely, 0.111179 must be greater than 0.1111 forever. Now, how about 1 over 89? Using our calculator, this value is equivalent to 0.0112359 and so on and so forth. And that is definitely greater than 0.011117976. Therefore, our answer 89 is absolutely correct. And as always, we are done.